Hello, guys, how are you today? And today, our topic of discussion is an insurance. I'm gonna present a complete overview of insurance, including its types, benefit, procedure, and requirement. So, first, let me tell you what exactly insurance is. Insurance is an activity which is performed by a private or either government entity to provide a guarantee of compensation for a specified loss, damage, or illness, or we can say a death, in return for a payment of a premium. In short, if we say it is a guaranteed protection against any specific uncertainty. Now, let me tell you about the different types of insurance. Number 1, life insurance or personal insurance. Number 2, property insurance. Number 3, marine insurance. Number 4, fire insurance. Number 5, liability insurance. And number 6, social insurance. However, let me tell you first about the personal insurance. Because the previous discussion was journal, now we are going in specified matters. So, what is personal insurance? And how you can get it? And from where you can get it? Even though personal insurance is further divided into life and health insurance. So, life insurance, in a very simple words, it is to pay a lump sum benefit upon insured person's premature death. However, life insurance is about covering medical expenses of insured person by the insurance company. Let me make it more detailed. For example, the public programs known as Medicare and Medicaid are specifically designed for the elderly, people with diabetes, and low income family and individuals. Everyone else needs to obtain private planes either through their employer or on their own. Without one, you will get treated in an emergency, but you are responsible for all of your medical expenses, and the bills can be astronomical. Even when you do have an insurance plan, you may still get surprise bills. Most insurance plans require you to make co payments at every doctor and co insurance. The percentage you pay alongside your insurer, you can come as a surprise to many foreigners who are not used to this system. Here's a guide to help you prepare for navigating the labyrinth of American health insurance, and a few tips on what to do before you move to potentially save on medical costs. So, the first question arises: how does insurance work in the US? So, the private health insurance is either offered through your employer or school, or you have to buy it on your own. You can select a plan that suits you best from the ACA's health insurance marketplace. Now, what is ACA? ACA, which stands for the Affordable Care Act, its nickname Obamacare, provides subsidies to those who can't afford high premiums of insurance plans. The size of the subsidy depends on the individual's income. Some states like California, Colorado, New York, and Manchester run their own healthcare exchanges. The world of the health insurance also has its own language and an extended glossary. It helps to learn a few of the essential terms in order to understand the plan of your buying. So, the first one is premium. What is premium? The monthly cost of your plan. Now, what is deductibles? The deductible is described as the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. third is co-insurance. What is co-insurance? The percent of costs you still need to pay after your insurance kicks in. Fourth, co-pay. What is co-pay? What you pay the doctor at every visit is known as co-pay. Cost of the health insurance varies widely and it depends on the types of benefits you choose. Usually plans with higher premiums cover more of your medical expenses. As in 2018, premiums averaged was $440 per month for individuals and $1,168 per month for families. Now, the question arises, how do you get covered? If you are employed by a US company, you are likely covered through an insurance plan offered by your employer. Some employers pay for the plan in full, while others may pay part of the fee and require you to pay the remaining cost. If you have a work visa but plan to be self employed, you will need to purchase health coverage yourself. You can find a plan in the ACA's health insurance marketplace during the enrollment time, typically running from November to December for the following year. If you arrive at US outside of the enrollment period, you may still qualify to apply because of your special circumstances. Now question arises. If you are a student or exchange visitor, what's for you? For you, international students or F1 visas, most schools require proof of health insurance prior to enrollment and typically automatically enroll students into their own student health insurance plan upon registration at the start of the semester. The US requires all exchange visitors, such as J1 visa holders, and their accompanying spouses and children to have medical insurance. You can obtain an insurance plan through your university. So that was for your kind information. By planning ahead, you may be able to save some medical expenses. So that was for today. Today we have covered our personal or life insurance. So please stay tuned for our next video. We will cover further more types. See you later.